Here's my tip for the day. Photos. We get overwhelmed with photos. Um, we've got some that are in photo books. Some of them are in the old magnetic photo books that aren't really the safest thing for our photos. We've got photos boxed up that are still in frames that we took off the wall and we don't have room to put them up, or we don't want to put them up again. So let's tackle some of those. Let's get the photos out of the frames. Let's get them organized. Let's see if we have duplicates. Make a determination on what to do with duplicates. Is there somebody else that wants it? Do we throw them away? Let's get these things scanned. Get some memory books made. Let's record some of your family history. Some of the things that you remember, you'd like to make sure that your children, grandchildren, great-grandchildren know about you.